Today, I am going to share a little bit about full of mystery, fear, and excitement. That is, who is hiding the shadow, the mystery of ghost. Before I begin, I want to thank my honorable, just, respected teacher and everyone present for giving me this opportunity to say something before you. Just hear the word ghost. It makes on the hand, in our hand, stand an int. Itself sends chill down our spine. It increases our heart rate and makes feel uneasy. Children, by to listen it. Okay, my friend, let's go to feel ghost. Close your eyes. Imagine it's a midnight. You are alone inside an broken house. There is no sound, just silence. Abruptly, you hear breathing right behind Nick. You turn around quickly. Oh my God, there is no one. Suppose one at night you get up and see someone is standing on the dark corner of your room. You think it is your mom, maybe getting some water, and you call your mom, but he is no response. Then you include your hand and keep it her arm and try to see her face and see there are no eyes. The clothing is scattering from the nose and blood, and the whole face is covered by blood. Then what can I do? I think we guys present there, boys are senseless, girls are passed away. In our society, the rural country of our Bangladesh, especially, ghost stories are part of our tradition. We have heard a lot of stories from our grandfather, grandmother, and elders, like Shatruni, Petni, Mamado, Sheldo, lot of story of ghost. But comes to the point, does ghost really exist? Talk, my friend, does ghost really exist? Science says there is no solid proof of ghost. But why do we get scared? Because the ghost may not live outside. It is surely live inside our mind, in our fear, in our imagination, and in our curiosity about the unknown. It is not like that. Ghost stories just about the fear. It is a thing of inspiration. They inspire our imagination. They challenge our courage and assist us understand the line between belief and reality. Before finishing my speech, I want to say that ghosts may live in stories, but the real string lives our heart. The story of ghost is over, but the story of our life goes on. No matter how the scary things get, move forward with the life of courage until you will success your life. You will enjoy the world. That's all about my speech. And remember, at night, sleeping time, you feel someone is breathing there. Don't be afraid, scared. It is just your imagination. May not be. Thank you, guys.
Wow.